Good evening and welcome into the old Capuchin Theater, my friend. Welcome into the premiere of Perfect Picnic starring Mickey and Minnie Mouse. To my friends and mine, please move all the way forward, filling in all unavailable space, keeping your bodies together. Once again, my friends, please stand all in your place.
We bypassed quite a crowd.
Yeah. Wow. You might be even out here.
Look how cool.
Take a step back away from the railings. Please do not lean or climb on them. We wouldn't want them to shock you. I'm just kidding, they won't shock you. Welcome to the El Capuchin Theater. My name is Karen and I'll be your movie theater usher today. But don't worry, I'm not like one of those Karens. For those of you who are closer to the back, make sure you're all the way inside that theater as those doors will automatically be closing behind you. Are you all excited for the world premiere of Mickey and Minnie's Perfect Picnic? Yeah. I can't hear you. I said, are you all excited for the world premiere? Yeah. Awesome, because I heard you guys are going to have a blast today. It's actually one of the best films in the MCU. That's Mickey's cinematic universe, of course. Once again, thank you for visiting us here at the El Capuchin Theater, where all of our rooms are standing only because Mickey deserves a standing ovation. I hope you all picked up your 3D glasses. Enjoy!
Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Sure, Goofy. Yeah, that sounds like fun.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Wait, let me make sure the cartoon is safe for you to enter. I'm just kidding. Of course it's safe. Come on in, folks. Right this way. If anything happens on the other side, remember, Karen did not let you in the cartoon, okay? Karen did not let you in the cartoon.
Well, howdy, everybody. It's me, Employee of the safety while riding aboard the train. Always stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train car. And be sure to keep an eye on your little railroad buttons. Okay? Thanks.
Hola pasajeros. Durante nuestro viaje en tren, para su seguridad, mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de sus coches. Por favor, permanezcan.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and Mia. Hey, look here, our friend. What? They're amazing. What could possibly go wrong? Yes, I'll just press all the buttons and see what happens. If you don't have any other plans, well, hey, niggers, told you nothing was gonna go wrong. What's this lever do? Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay?